For some reason, I have not boring things that I want to program to book while the Pimzam's adventures in Bhutan to Kelpos Institute long guys. Paper to do guys. And guys, Druk Kelpos Institute Mang Bisa Paro and there's something want to and said something want to the Machikisa spelling something want to sing. It gives us great pleasure to present Jishong Center School with a collection of 20 interactive books titled The Adventure in Bhutan series. Each of the books in the Adventure in Bhutan celebrates one of the 20 Zongkaks of the Gilse Jigme Namge Wanchu's 10th birth anniversary. This series is a gift to Bhutan that we hope will inspire curiosity and a deeper appreciation of our country's rich culture and natural heritage among the readers. We are delighted to share these books with your school and hope they will be valuable learning resources. And thank you for your continued dedication to nurturing the next generation of Bhutanese citizens. We hope that the Adventures in Bhutan series will be cherished by your school community. Best wishes. Arun Kapoor, Director. Arun Kapoor, Director. Druk Kelpos Institute. And Pimzam's Adventure in Bhutan. Druk Kelpos Institute. Pimzam's Adventure in Sarpang Lo. Pimzam's Adventure in some sea. The Pimzam's Adventure in Mongar. The Shangal Hatch guys. Bukchiano. And interesting and part to an and books to past the Kutskio to guys. And Chang City Coleno, Pa and Zungar and Zungi Coleo to guys. And do tell of Zunga a book last to change some of the things hard and now the hands of Hakoemi like guys. Book interesting yes at one. How 20 Zongkaks give me an bara. 20 Zongkaks games on the Colony. And Hane to Kasaka to guys in Kasaka to Mahawat. Hane to Kasa Zong quiz and to guys. And an unfair to question. Near Palo, there's a touch low and to guys. Getting to lie low and do. Yes, how to play tap to say dual. Changing to me. Do screen code say to guys. I may guys. Hello, that was the on the talking skin and do guys cholo. Jigme those national park you to guys. And do President of JDNP. Red Panda Law and Leopards. And so Jaralo and the anime father and children. Guys, listen to best down guys now. Pane boy. That's not any plan have to what the Pimzam's Adventure in Mongar Sing. The one have game guys. That's an adventure in Pimzam's Adventure in Casa Guys. Druk Kelpos Institute. Meet Pimzam. Pimzam is 10 years old, full of curiosity and always ready for an adventure. She has a kind heart, a brave spirit, and a mind full of questions about the world around her. She lives in a small village with her grandfather, a wise old man who had traveled all over Bhutan. On his journey, he crossed a river, climbed mountains, and met people from all walks of life. Her grandfather once dreamed of treasure hidden across Bhutan. These were not these were not shiny jewels, but stories, crafts, songs, and important lessons. Now he encourages Pimsam to travel across the kingdom to discover this treasure for herself. Along the way, she meets a new friend and discovers that the greatest treasure of all is the wisdom and wonders she finds in every place she visits. Guys, mas page lang ito guys. Singha ko noon pa learner academy and Padukal Post Institute. Pabukra lirum suno guys. Bukane lirum suno. Pabuk lesa me bu sa. Kunjane suno guys. No. Pan singha ko noon every time pa learn na jingko guys. Learn na jingko bu. Pan jingko. Padukal Post Institute for this adventurous book. Thank you. Thank you for live na video. Live na box video guys. Thank you to Telpos Institute.